Hey, how's it going? Andrew from Dependable Guitars here. Here to give you some sounds for the, Vintage Sunburst, Tobacco Burst, Jack Daniels, Partscaster, Telecaster. I'm going to give you some sounds up front here, and then I'll give you a time hack in the description below where the kind of the explanation starts at the end, the description, and that sort of stuff. So we'll start out on the dirty channel, bridge. Okay, clean channel. Okay, middle position, dirty channel. Okay, clean channel. Alright, next position on the dirty channel. Okay, clean channel neck. All right. So let's talk a little bit about this now. The neck is a Roasted Maple Vintera 50s neck. It's got the soft V profile, really slick on the back there. Got that satin finish on the back. I gave it black tuners, black string tree. Replaced the factory synthetic nut with a genuine bone nut, non-bleached bone nut. Really nice figuring on the neck there. I think the pictures on the site really, do it justice as well as you can see here. A lot of nice figuring there, gives it a lot of character. Got you dialed in as far as the nut height. Nut height's correct. Got your low action there. And got your intonation spot on as well. So I got your individual saddles, got your intonation good there. Lightweight body, so only 5.2 pounds total for the guitar. So really nice guitar to play for a while. Black hardware all around. Genuine Fender knobs, got your black neck plate there. Copper shielded control compartment there. Let's see what else. Pretty hot pickup around the 13.5K range, 14K if you want to, and split hairs, and then like 7K range on the neck there. So yeah, pretty hot sound there in the bridge pickup, and then you got your creamy sounds there once you get towards the neck. So Really a good tonal range across the board there. Very versatile guitar. This got a 22 Mallory cap as well for the tone cap. And like I said, the specs are on the site there, so you can see a lot of the specs on the site. Just a beautiful guitar, fun to play, nice looking guitar. And from there, I am building a lot of Partscasters, so you know, again, if this one doesn't float your boat, send me a message still. If there's an idea you have for a Partscaster, let me know. I probably got one like that in process, so I can get that, push that to the forefront there. Yeah, hope you enjoy it, and let me know if you got any questions. Thanks.